Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 Under Desk Treadmills available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best Under Desk Treadmills. The 5th product on our list is the Goplus 2-in-1. Goplus 2-in-1 Under Desk Treadmill performs 2 modes to meet your different sports needs. It has adjustable speeds for both jogging and running. The speed of 1 to 4 km per hour makes it comfortable for jogging. In contrast, the speed of 1 to 12 km per hour makes it suitable for running. It has a 2.25 horsepower quiet motor and a noise reduction system that lets you run or walk along without making a noise. Additionally, it comes with an LED touchscreen. It helps you monitor your exercise data, including time, speed, distance, and calories. It also has a 5-layer non-slip running belt in it, which protects your knee against any injury. Moreover, Goplus 2-in-1 treadmill has a built-in Bluetooth feature, so you can easily connect it with your mobile phone and enjoy music while you exercise. A phone holder is also attached to it, allowing you to make video calls or watch videos during workouts easily. But the best features of Goplus 2-in-1 treadmill are its safety features. It has a remote control that can help you stop the machine instantly if you feel any inconvenience while exercising. Furthermore, it is foldable. You can move it anywhere because of its built-in wheels. It is also pre-assembled, so you only have to take it out, attach the handlebars, and plug it into the switch when you use it. Its pros are: it comes with a remote control. It is space-saving. It has a phone holder, and it is affordable. However, the cons are: there is no warranty, and it does not show your pulse rate during exercise. Overall, it is an easy-to-use machine, even if you are using it for the first time. The Goplus 2-in-1 folding Under Desk Treadmill provides all the benefits of exercise and workouts suitable for most people. Up next in the 4th place is the Beachey Folding Treadmill. Beachey Folding Treadmill machine is a jogging and running machine in one. If you fold the riser, you can jog on with a speed of 0.5 to 4 miles per hour, faster than the Goplus treadmill. However, if you raise the handrail, you enter its running mode and experience its speed of 0.5 to 7.5 miles per hour. You may adjust the speed through the remote control or use the button on the console. It is made of a strong steel frame and contains a 2.25 horsepower motor. Due to this motor, this treadmill does not make any disturbing noise. Moreover, it has a 7 layers belt design that helps in protecting your knees from injury. You can also connect your mobile phone through the built-in Bluetooth, so you can enjoy music while you exercise. There is an LED screen attached to it too. This can monitor your steps, speed, and time. Lastly, this treadmill is easy to store thanks to its foldable design that makes it convenient and handy. Its pros are: it is easy to assemble. It provides great value for the price. It is a space-saving machine, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. Its cons are: it does not monitor your heart rate, and you cannot adjust its slope for a more intense workout. Beachey Folding Treadmill is overall an amazing machine with its exciting features. It is ready to use, and you make the most of it even if you have a small space. Still haven't found the Under Desk Treadmill that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the Rhythm Fun Treadmill. With its 18 inches wide and 45 inches long running belt, Rhythm Fun Treadmill must be one of the most comfortable Under Desk treadmills in the market. It also has a maximum capacity of 220 pounds and a maximum speed of 12 km per hour. This treadmill is designed with a durable steel frame made up of Rhythm Fun's air shock reduction and noise reduction system. Further, it covers only 0.5 square meters of space, so if you need a treadmill that will not take up most of your living room or office, this is a good pick. You can also place it in a closet or under a bed or a sofa. It has a 7-level elastic running platform made of honeycomb running board with silicone structure. It comes with a flexible belt and aluminum alloy that provide excellent durability. This feature helps you avoid any damage to your knees while running. It also features a simple and small circular LED screen that can monitor your calories, speed, and time. Moreover, you don't need to assemble a Rhythm Fun treadmill. All you have to do is take this machine out of the box and plug it in. Finally, Rhythm Fun Treadmill offers 2 safety options. One is the emergency shut button, and the other is the safety key. Both can stop the running machine instantly if needed. Its pros are, it is made up of high-quality material. You can move it anywhere you want according to your space. It offers a good 10 years frame warranty, and it has a luxury design at an economical price. Its cons are, it doesn't have any heartbeat monitoring system, and there is no option to adjust the intensity of the workout. Rhythm Fun Under Desk Treadmill lets you feel the luxury without breaking the bank. It also has an efficient motor of 2 horsepower and consumes a meager amount of energy. The second product on our list is the OppsDecor. Use the OppsDecor for walking or running. All you have to do is adjust the handrail. With the handrail down, you can walk on it up to 2.5 miles per hour. But if you raise the handrail, its speed will increase to 7.5 miles per hour, allowing you to run on it. This treadmill has a 2.25 horsepower vibration-free motor that produces no noise. It also comes with an LED screen that shows you the complete record of time, speed, and calories burned. OppsDecor Under Desk Treadmill is easily foldable. Moreover, it has wheels that allow you to take it to any place without hassle. When folded, it only occupies a small space. It is built with a robust steel frame and a multi-layer belt, which helps you run safely while avoiding injuries. Another accessory it comes with is a remote control that you can use to adjust the speed. It also has a safety key, which puts the machine to a stop in an emergency. Lastly, it includes a phone holder, so you can enjoy songs or watch movies during a workout. Its pros are, it is easy to assemble, its frame is durable, it comes with a 2-year warranty, and it has an LED to monitor the metabolic responses. However, its cons are, it is a little expensive, and it does not have any warm-up system. Nevertheless, the OppsDecor Under Desk Treadmill is a full package. It contains multiple features that are easy to use. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top Under Desk Treadmill is the ANCHEER. ANCHEER Under Desk Treadmill is an innovative 2-in-1 treadmill that will suit your needs. Its unique design and super fast speed make it better than the other machines. It is built with high-quality steel, making it durable and long-lasting. It also comes with a powerful 2.5 horsepower motor and a multi-layer shield design that reduces noise while you use it. ANCHEER includes a built-in LCD screen that shows your data while exercising. It takes note of your time, pulse, distance, and calories burned. Attached along with this LCD is a mobile holder, so you can watch movies or chat with your friends while exercising. ANCHEER had passed the American Society for Testing and Materials Standard test. It is also SGS certified. Its safety key and shutdown button will protect you during workouts. If you feel any inconvenience while exercising, you can use these features and the machine will stop immediately. Its pros are, it has a multi-layer smooth running surface. It comes with a strong multi-grade. It does not require any assembly. And you can monitor your pulse rate while exercising. However, its cons are, it is expensive, and the options to adjust the speed are limited. Although ANCHEER is somehow more expensive than other treadmills, it is worth your investment. It meets the industry safety standards and it is made with quality materials that ensure its durability and comfort. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next video.